Hi, welcome to Display Craft, a channel for photography, Photoshop and graphic designing tutorials. In this video, we are going to edit a jewelry. First, we will stack images as per the Photoshop package. We'll browse our images. You may have any number of images. Then you can uncheck blend image, and then we'll see both the images in layer panels. We will select both the images and go to edit and align images. Then below that, align, then stack images, and we'll see that our both the images are now perfectly merged and our jewelry is very sharp. So you can see like the back part of one image and other part of the another image is taken to make this sharper. We'll just close this file, and now we'll try to do it manually, because what happens sometimes this package doesn't work correctly because sometimes our jewelry is not shot properly. So we can manually stack the images. We will open both the images and drag one image in the main image and close one image, and now we have both the images in this panel. We will now adjust the image by lowering the opacity. We can see, and we will try to adjust manually, and then use mask to reveal the image. Now we are using the hide all mask, and we will reveal the image. Here we'll paint and see that the top layer image is coming because here we are using hide all mask. We can see the bottom layer, and now we're revealing the top layer. So the sharper part of the top layer image is taken in this way, and our jewelry is sharp. So this way you can merge many images one by one. I can do it manually, no problem in that. You can adjust. Then we'll merge both the layer, Control E. Now we can make a clipping path to separate it from the background, and we'll edit this jewelry ring. Press Alt and cut. When we complete the clipping path, you'll see the small circle below the pen tool, and now this clipping path, both the clipping paths are done. Press Ctrl Enter and Ctrl J to make the selection. Now create a new layer below the cutout and fill it with the white color. So now we have this ring. Now we'll make a clipping path inside the shank and we'll clean it. After making the clipping path, we can press Ctrl Enter to select this path and create a new layer, and then take the brush tool and paint it inside. This is a flat color. First, lighter color, we are just making it a little lighter. We have taken the sample inside by pressing Alt and dropper. Now this is the flat color, we have filled it inside, and then we'll take the sample of white color from outside, reducing the opacity, and then we'll take sample from outside white and just making a shiny effect. Reduce the opacity to just making it a realistic. And then merge this painting. After that, levels, just make it a little bit brighter. And then making a clipping path for this stone. We have to make it brighter and cleaner. It's dirty. Press Ctrl Enter and Ctrl J to make a copy of this selection, and then the screen, making it lighter, reducing the opacity to make it a little bit darker. adjusting the color. After that, applying. This is dirty. Then apply surface blur on that. And then sharpness. Sharpen the using unsharp mask. And then we'll create making it more lighter. After that, we'll create shadow, create a new layer, and above the white, and use brush tool. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe